Hello all, this is Sachin. Welcome to the session. In today's session, I am going to talk about how to create Gradle project in Eclipse. I'll discuss about how to create custom tasks, also how to execute custom tasks from Eclipse and from the command prompt. Okay, let me start. Let me go to Eclipse. So here you can see this is a Maven project. So pom.xml, here we can add any dependencies, and this is the structure of the Maven project. So today I'm going to create a Gradle project. So before creating a Gradle project, so first we should have Gradle plugin in our Eclipse. So let me show you which version I'm using for the Eclipse. So I'm using 2019-09 this version. Latest version I think going on 2020. Alright, so in this version I do have by default Gradle. So in case if you don't have Gradle in your Eclipse, then you can install from Marketplace. Go to Eclipse Marketplace. Okay, let it load. So it loaded. After loading, here you can type Gradle. After type, you can press enter or click on go button. So it's searching. So after searching, we can see a Gradle ID. So we can see many information here, and just come down. So you have to install this one, BuildShip Gradle Integration 3.0, where you can see this elephant symbol, and this is already installed. You can see it. So in your system, if it is not installed, just click on install, and there would be like some next you have to do, and it will ask for the restart the Eclipse. After restart the Eclipse, you can click on file, click on new, click on other, and here you can type search Gradle. After the Gradle, you will see here Gradle if this is installed in your system plugin. So I'm assuming everyone has watched the previous videos where I have talked about how to install Gradle, how to set environment variable in your system property. After did all those steps, then you can install this Gradle plugin. Then you can come here. So I am just selecting Gradle project. Just click on next and click on next. Just give the any project name. So I am giving Selenium with Gradle. Selenium Gradle. Okay, I'll say Selenium Gradle. It would be fine. Selenium Gradle. And click on finish. So it's creating the project, Gradle project, and it created. You can see here. Let me expand. Let me close this one. And if you see here, the structure is almost same. So above one, this is Maven, and if you see this down one, this is Gradle. And here you can see here SRC main Java, SRC main resources, SRC test Java, SRC test resources. Everything is looks like same as compared to Maven. And here you can see one different thing here. You can see a build.gradle, and Maven you will see this pom.xml. This is the main difference here, and some more difference in internally. So I am going to minimize this Maven one. So here you can see here. So after creating Gradle project, you can see here two things: one Gradle task and Gradle execution. So Gradle task, it will display all the project which is related to the Gradle. So I do have only one project, other one related to the Maven. So that's why it is showing only one Selenium Gradle. This is not coming because this is related to the Maven. And what is a Gradle execution? So Gradle execution, this will show which task executed and how much time the task is taken, and also it will capture some other information. So we will see when we will execute any task, then we will see some information here automatically. All right. So let me click on build.gradle, and before clicking here, if I go Gradle task, right? So Gradle task, we can, if I expand here, you can see some information. We can see the build. Okay, so build, those are the tasks. And let me minimize. And if you go verification, in verification we can see the test. This task used for unit testing purpose. So here I am going to use for automation purpose. So I'll execute my test cases using my this task. Okay, so now I am going to talk about build.gradle. So I have opened this file, and here we can see here the plugin, and we can see a repository, we can see dependencies, those one information. So I can say this is coming by default. So whenever you are creating any Gradle project, you will see this information by default. If you want to add some more plugin, you can add. So by default, Java plugin is coming, and repository we can see here, and dependencies, those are dependencies we can see here. This is Apache common math, and other one is a Google Guava library. One more library they are using, JUnit. What I'll use TestNG. All right. So here, how can I create some custom task? Okay, so let me show you. So for creating custom task, you have to type task and just give any name. I'll say hello griddle, and after here, this is the syntax. Don't give any space. Sometime it will not work. And here I'm going to type print ln, and here in double quote I'll say let's learn griddle. All right. So one task I have created, hello griddle. The name is hello griddle, and I'm going to print let's learn griddle. Okay, how to execute this task? So this is the name of the task. Right click here, this build.gradle, and run as. Click on run configuration, and here you can see here, this is coming my previous project task. So I do have here like say Maven project. So let me go to Gradle, launch Gradle task. You can see here. Let me click here. So Gradle task, just click on add, and task name hello Gradle, and you can select the workspace. So I am going to use this Selenium Gradle. So my task name is hello Gradle, and you have to choose the workspace. And before this, I have click here Gradle task, and just click on apply and click on run. You can see here in Gradle execution, you can see here some information here now, and earlier it was blank. Here we can see the timing, how much time the task is has taken. And if you expand this run task, so in run task we can see here it executed hello Gradle, right? So my task name hello Gradle, we can see it is printing here. And if you come to this console, and you can see it is printing let's learn Gradle. You can see here is the same. All right, so this is how we can execute the task from Eclipse. Okay, now let me show you how to execute build.gradle from command prompt. So right click, click on properties, and click here. I am going to open the directory. So let me click here. After click this directory open, and let me type cmd here, and this command prompt will open. So in this command prompt, what I can do, let me type Gradle and the task name. So what was the task name? Task name was, here you can see here, hello Gradle. And let's type here. So Gradle and hello Gradle, this is the task name. Let me press enter, and this task executed. We can see it is printed. Let's learn Gradle. So this is how we can execute the task. And if I type Gradle build, so here it's building the complete project. So what does it mean? Here it's building all like complete project like SRC. It's having like SRC in Java, SRC as Java resources, and some other things as well. So here we can see here this build successful. It built the complete project, and here we can see here 4 action tasks completed, executed, and like if something is failed, then we'll see the build failure, and this is build successful. All right, so let me go to here. So here I have talked about how to create the custom task and how to execute from Eclipse and how to execute from command prompt. And if you're not aware about like how to install the Gradle, so just watch the previous videos where I have talked about how to install Gradle and why to use Gradle and what is the difference between Gradle and Maven. So those are the things I have discussed in my previous videos. Just please go through it if you haven't watched. That's all I want to cover in this session. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.